play, let the boys play.
Get the medics on.
Yeah, stay down.
Good work here, Cornier. Oh, here we go, it's not going anywhere, but straight over for Flokidatus, and that's Kuman, great try.
Perfect.
Side in two, so Sherwood will be the man to try and bully his way over, and he's done just that.
Finds the 10. Ball. Backwards, the ref says Prinsloo finds Sharangani. Speedy Ramaloka. What a tackle in the corner.
Oakdale get the opportunity to take the 3 points. Big hit coming in.
From Ruiz, showing why they've used their forwards the whole day. Deft underhand pass, now boys high, coming alive, pass is working, sticking, magical stuff, carving through, Angelo Osh, oh my gosh, he's done it!
Sticks it on the boot. It hangs for De Jong, and away they go. It's going to be a score for Schoolboys High through Luke Carew. The bounce of the rugby ball has brought Forest Street Stadium and Schoolboys High supporters to life.
Here he goes. He knows which way to go. Then straight again. He's gone. Absolutely brilliant running there. But oh my word! What an individualistic piece of brilliance there. Captain Sherwood going on full heels, still going offload. Great work here by Bishops. Great try.
There's a blindside move on here. He sent it to Gertza. They're not sharp to it, boys high. There's space in behind. Gertza over the top. The chip, the chase. Colwyn Gertza. This derby is all yours. It's all yours, young man.
How aggressive they are with really positive intent into contact. They want to dominate the collision. There's a chance of a try there. Because Vituo did so well with the carry. Now have a look at this from Vessels.
the big chase by the big man.
Bobby Alexander, Chandre Berger, Ethan James, and then Swanepoel outside to Hertz. Hertz's around his man, and now he's cutting in. He's got something on his mind here. Wow. Hertz's gonna step. He's going all the way. As though he's Peter Russell himself. What a phenomenal try for ball two.
Throws the dummy. Through. Kian Meaden looking at his options, decides to put in the kick. It's being hunted. It's fielded. And what a try! Killian
Fanica. Fanica rumbles forward, taking Foreman with him, and a great roar from the crowd.
Keep it staying, but in the end, Jacques Joster applies his boot one final time, heaves the ball into touch, and the Bosch boys come streaming onto the field.
Oh, yeah!